Welcome back to the channel. I know some of you may think I neglected the Accord, and maybe to a certain extent that's true, but today for this video we are going to be getting some things done to the car to get it ready for tune, and I actually have the parts sitting right next to me and I'm going to show you right now. So we have basically everything from P2R neatly in this box. So this is the fuel rail, this is the injectors, the fuel lines, more of the fuel line stuff, and obviously K-tuner, which is necessary to run all of these parts. I'm not gonna lie, not all of this is gonna be installed because some of the stuff needs to be installed right before the tune, aka the injectors, and so I think today we're gonna be getting the fuel lines installed, the fuel rail installed, and then I'm actually getting some axles done on the car. I don't know exactly if the reason my car runs kind of shaky is because of the axles, but the car is at 180,000 miles, so it's just due anyway, so I'm gonna get it done. But yeah, we're gonna head over to DT. That's my mechanic over here, and we are also getting the M3 on the dyno to see what it puts down stock, so it's an eventful day for sure. The stock video or the dyno video is probably going to be up first, so if you're watching this you could also already view the M3 dyno. But yeah, let's get into this day. Here are the axles. He was saying that this one is pretty bad. It's kind of hard to tell on video, but they're replaced now. Hopefully the car stops shaking because it shakes a lot in acceleration. But yeah. All right, so we just got the rear off. As you can see, it's pretty close to blowing. This could have blown on the freeway. My tuner said that he can't do the tune until these are gone and some new tires are on, so understandable because you can see how bad they are. But oh, we got these off. We needed to get all 4 tires replaced. The rears were the worst ones, and I rotated it when I first saw it, but obviously it's gotten way worse. So yeah, the camber wear is crazy on this car right now. I'm gonna have to get that sorted out. But shout out to DT, he switched out the axles. I'm not gonna lie, the car runs way better. So if you guys have shaky acceleration and braking and the car overall doesn't ride the smoothest when it's lowered, it could be your suspension settings, but a lot of the times it's because of axle wear. My car was at 180k, and I don't know if it's been replaced before, but there's a huge difference once I replace the axles. When I accelerate, it's more smooth, there's no shakiness, so I would definitely recommend that. But right now we're getting the tires swapped over by the homie Tire Bullies. He had the high horsepower TSX that I filmed, so yeah, shout out to him. He's getting the job done. It's early on a Saturday, so you know, I really appreciate it, and I just can't wait for this thing to get tuned. But I'll get back to you guys once we have the new tires on. The fronts are off. They're not as bad, but you can start to see it on the side. It is almost showing wire right there, so it's good that we're swapping out for new ones because it really needs it. But yeah, I'm excited to get this car on the dyno and get it tuned, so we'll see what it could put down. All right, so all 4 tires are on. I went with the GT Radio Champiro ultra high or ultra something, ultra high performance. I think that's what the UHP stands for. But it's gonna be the 245/40/19. So yeah, this was really necessary. I don't want to have the car blow up, or not the car, but the tire blow up on the dyno. So yeah, we got them all on. It's a little bit dirty because they just got mounted, but we're done with that. It only took about an hour, so shout out to him. Also, like I said, it was in the morning, so appreciate him for squeezing this job in. But we're gonna get a little treat because we're gonna be riding in his newly, I guess, the new turbo system on his TSX. It's pushing more power, so he's gonna show me what that's about.
I need to clean it up though.
Oh,
So
no worries.
I got
Yeah.
2 surf sinks going on for 3 80s.
Oh my gosh.
I need to clean it up because I haven't finished. Putting it all
Damn.
together.
So this is gonna be on his new setup. I believe it's a bigger turbo, a little bit more aggressive tune. He just finished putting on the new tires. Now we're gonna go on a ride. So yeah, let's feel the difference. If you guys want an updated build video, comment down below because we still haven't done that yet. Alright, I just wanted to say I know the tune's taking a while, but we are really close now. All we need to do is get a fuel pump. My tuner, he recommended upgrading the fuel pump. I was told that you can run E85 on the stock one, but I guess since we're already going that full step, might as well get the fuel pump as well. So once we get that done, it'll be tuned. I'm looking to get at least 290 wheel. 300 doesn't seem likely because that would be 40 wheel on top of what this put down untuned. But anyways, I'm really excited. I know you guys are too, so we are gonna get into this. But don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys when we're tuning.